So guys, there are three things we need to look out for whenever we want to make use of my pin bar candlestick pattern. The pin bar candlestick pattern is one of my favorite candlestick pattern that I make use of whenever I want to enter the market. So for those of us that will be interested in making use of this pin bar candlestick pattern, then definitely you want to watch this video to the end. So I remember saying in our previous video that the first candlestick pattern that we talked about was the engulfing candlestick pattern, okay, where this particular red candlestick pattern covers this blue or bullish candlestick pattern, that is for a sell, and then where the bullish or the blue candlestick pattern covers the red or bearish candlestick pattern. So in today's video, I'm just going to share how to make use of this pin bar candlestick pattern that you can see here on my chart, okay. So because it's one of the powerful candlestick pattern that you can use to enter the market whenever you get to see it form, okay. So as we can see that after the close of this particular candlestick pattern here, you will notice that the next candle that follows was a strong sell momentum candle, okay. So this is what we want to be doing whenever we want to take a trade in the market. So there are three things we are going to watch out for. So the first thing we want to look out for is to make sure that this particular pin bar candlestick has formed on this particular time frame, okay. Remember that we are on the 4-hour time frame. Now you can make use of the candles the pin bar candlestick pattern on any time frame of your choice, but the reason we are going to be making use of the 4-hour time frame is because the 4-hour time frame holds more weight, okay, unlike the 5 minutes time frame. If we should go to the 5 minutes time frame, definitely you are going to be seeing a lot of pin bar, okay. You can see that we have a pin bar here. All right, you can see another pin bar here. So you can see multiple pin bars on the 5 minutes time frame, but to be able to use this particular pin bar, we want to stick to a higher time frame like the 4-hour, the 1 hour, the daily, okay. So these are time frames that help us to see better pin bar, okay. So once we've been able to see for the first condition to see that this particular pin bar has formed here, then the next thing we want to do is to look for our swing points, okay. So what we want to do is to look for places that has not been violated. For example, you can see that this particular high here is being respected, okay, and this particular high here is being respected. So this gives us an idea that market is like in a downtrend, okay. So once we've been able to spot that, which is the second condition, then the third thing we want to do is to go to like the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, what we'll notice is that we want to see like a break of structure, okay. We want to see like a break of structure, the most recent break of structure. Now remember, there are two points here on our charts here, okay. This is like the most recent, and then this is like the next recent swing point. So we are going to be making use of this particular one, okay, because at this point here where we saw our candlestick pattern here, market has not broken this structure, okay. So this is the most recent break of structure here at this particular point, and so that is what we want to look out for our third condition, okay. So remember, the first condition is that market must have created our pin bar here, okay. And then when we see this pin bar here, what we want to do for an extra confirmation is to go to the 1 hour time frame, okay. On the 1 hour time frame, we'll be able to see our engulfing candlestick pattern, okay. So you can see that this particular red candle here was able to cover this blue candle, okay. So this is like a double confirmation, okay. So once that happens here, guys, then the second thing we want to look out for is to make sure that this particular point here, okay, has not broken or taking out any upper point. Okay, so you can see that this particular point here has not been broken, and then this particular point here has not been broken. So once we have that, which will be our second confirmation, then we want to look for a point that has been broken to the downside so that we can conveniently sell the market. Okay, and then we can see that this was the most recent low that was broken, not this, because this was only broken after the formation of this. Okay, so this was like the most recent low that was broken. Okay, and that would be like the third confirmation. So once that has happened here, guys, then definitely we can head back to like the 4 hour time frame, and then after the close of this particular candle here, we can enter here at the open of this next candle. Okay, so we can successfully enter at that particular point there, and then we can place our stop loss above here, and then we can place our take profit just below. So our take profit will be at this swing point here. We are going to enter here, and then our stop loss will be just above this level. Okay, and then as a bonus, to be able to use this strategy effectively, where we want to see this pin bar inside an order block. Okay, remember what an order block is. An order block is like the last buy candle before a sell, or the last sell candle before a buy. So this is like the last buy candle before the sell. So we are going to highlight that and wait for price to come back to it, and we can see that price actually came back after price sold. Price actually retraced and came back to this order block. Okay, and then once this particular order block has formed here, then definitely we want to see the point that has been respected. So we saw the first point here, and then we saw the second point here. Okay, and then we want to look at the points on the 1 hour time frame that has been taken out, and we saw that this point here has been taken out. Okay, and then we can go to like the 4 hour time frame to enter at the opening of this particular candle, and then take our take profits here, and then our stop loss will be here. So guys, I believe I've given you a full working strategy that you'll be able to use to trade any market of your choice. Okay, make sure you test out this pin bar strategy first of all on your demo accounts before going live. Okay, so if this video makes sense to you, then definitely you want to like this video, and also you want to share this video to your friends so that they can get access to it, and also YouTube can recommend it to more people. Okay, and if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, remember subscription is free, you are not paying. Then definitely you want to do so now so that you'll be notified whenever I drop useful videos, guys. And so cheers, guys. I'll see you in my next trading video.